What's up and good day mga boss? Welcome back dito sa aming shop, Aiming Ace Airsoft. Date today is December 4. So meron tayong shipping. Double Bell 774C kay Boss Klein of Nueva Ecija. So ayan, Double Bell may kasama siyang gun case. Then nasa budget meal folder lang natin to. Ayan, so 25 rounds magazine capacity. Kasama siyang nozzle, extra nozzle, tsaka ito, cleaning rod. So unit itself, Double Bell 774C na Glock 18C. So metal slide, then polymer yung lower frame. Ayan. Threaded yung outer barrel. Then meron siyang under rail for accessory attachment. So kabilang side. Glock 18C, ito yung merong semi-automatic siya pag nakataas, then pag nakababa, full auto. So try natin. Full auto, baba nyo lang tong selector. Make sure nakasagad siya. Ayan. So slide lang. So, yun lang bossing. Promise na rin namin itong shipping nyo. Then kapag meron, if may inquiries kayo, message lang kayo sa aming page, Aiming Ace by CJO. Thank you.